Yo traders, what's good? If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you've already subbed up, then you know that I appreciate every single one of you. So today's intro is a little bit different. I didn't have no time to do my regular intros or like explain my charts and the reasons that I was gonna enter, or my support and resistance areas, none of that. As soon as it came to like 20 past 2, 10 minutes before the New York Open, my phone started ringing and it was important and I needed to take the call. That's what you can see up in the corner. I still caught the dub. It was still a good trade. I'll explain why I entered and break the trade down a little bit more towards the end of the video. But yeah, it was just typical that my phone had to start buzzing off as I was recording, and I couldn't do my usual intro, my breakdown and all that stuff. But just watch the video and I hope you enjoy it and I hope you can still take something from it. But yeah, let's get into the video. Yo guys, so as you can see, I was just on the phone taking an important phone call, and it literally rang off as soon as the New York opened. So I didn't really get an opportunity to give much of an intro or make a move. But
order fill.
And yeah, I'm gonna target the top because I'll explain a bit more in a minute. I didn't really have enough time to even give an intro or say hi to my subs. But yeah, as soon as the markets opened, my phone started ringing and I had to take the call. So yeah, multitasking. Basically, I didn't enter this break and get in because of this major area that I can see price was reacting from. But I can move my stop loss to break even now because it just makes sense. So that's pretty much break even. And the reason that I've entered on a buy is because this was a clear fake out and it was a big area of like support and resistance. So yeah, so if we can get there, it'd be like pretty much a 1 to 3, even target the top. But to see this level break now would be beautiful. That's realistically what we want to see. Just give me a good day today. I can't remember the last time I took a trade and didn't get faked out and I had to take a second position. So this would be lovely if it just gives me that one straight perfect trade to end the day. The 5-minute candle looking like pretty nice. That's a lovely rejection. I'm always looking for them rejection wicks. Like this whole wick just rejected, and it rejected from an area too. It wasn't just a random place. You can see that price clearly used this place and got pushed from it. Then it breaks through, comes down, rejects it, comes back to it, rejects it again. So just targeting the top now. This is kind of when I get off the 1-minute time frame, so I can kind of look at the 5-minute candle and the 15-minute candle and think, right, I'm already in the trade. How much time does it have to potentially push and hit my TP? Well, on the 15-minute time frame, it has 7 minutes left. So can I see this candle pushing up all the way to the top within 7 minutes? Yeah, definitely. So that's when I'll kind of look out to the bigger picture and let the trade play. But I do like entering on the 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, it'd be stupid to lose all of this money now. So I'm going to just trail my stop loss and put it there. So I know that's a guaranteed 447 off the table. Even push it to 5. Just push it to 5. There's a guaranteed 5 off the table.
Order
Yeah,
fill.
cool. So I'm alright with that. That's a 1 to 2. Think I'll call it a day today. Quick 1 to 2. That phone call stressed me out a little bit, but let me just go over what I was looking at and why I entered the trade and why I didn't enter on this break, this one there. So basically, this was my actual thoughts. So I can see price clearly pushed up from this area powerfully, and I'm going to use this as an area. So this would have been my support, pushed down from this area. So that's a resistance zone, came back, tested it again, resisted again. So when we got down to this point, I knew this candle there on the open while I was on the phone was at a major area of support and resistance. So I needed to see it really push for me to get in. And yeah, it closed and then instantly just started pushing back up inside this area. So I knew it was kind of a fake out, if you want. Not even a fake out, just a reaction from support and resistance. And as soon as I see this candle, this kind of momentum, I'm in. And I was originally targeting the tops, and I probably still think it's going to get there, but I trailed my stop loss, caught myself a cool 5, so that's a 1 to 2, because I usually risk 250. And yeah, today was a good day. But simply just using support and resistance areas as targets and levels the price are probably going to bounce from. But yeah, we are breakout traders, and a lot of people probably would have taken this as soon as it started breaking this area, which is fine, because if you watch most of my videos, I explain that if this happens to you and you get stopped out and you get this kind of bullish candle straight away back up in, then you just re-enter and then you target a previous structure, or you just target a 1 to 2 so you can get back what you lost and a 1 on top. But even though we're trading breakouts, guys, remember to always take these support and resistance zones into consideration, because price clearly is reacting from them. So for you to just assume price is going to break straight through, you know, that's why you get faked out a lot. And if you did get faked out, just do what I say, flip the position, come back up, or wait for price to get to the next clear area and then look for another setup where it makes a little bit of structure. Then you place your line and you wait for your breaks. Okay. But I think I'm going to be doing another full course kind of video pretty soon anyway, because the first one I did was a little bit confusing at times. But yeah, I'm going to remedy that for you lot. So if you ain't already subbed up, make sure you do so you never miss an upload. And to everyone that's already subbed up, you know I appreciate every single one of you. Also, before I end the video, if anybody's looking for a good broker, a Forex broker, then links in the description. Fusion Markets, one of my favorite brokers. I've used them loads of times and I've been paid out every single time within 24 hours. TopStepX is the futures prop firm that I'm trading on now. A lot of people ask me in the comments, what do I use? This is basically TradingView, but on a TopStepX platform. So there you go.